less than an hour.
Okay.
There was an incident at a pool.
Give us a receipt for this towel. I just need to see a receipt.
There was an incident up in the hills.
I'm painting a watercolor. And the way that you're wielding that paintbrush is very unsettling to me.
And at the hospital.
Sweetie, are you absolutely sure that this is
Your dialysis machine? I was just asking.
Okay.
I don't know why people
Oh,
are
good.
so quick to judge.
Okay. Come on, drink your bottle.
By now, the protests have gone international with a rallying cry reverberating across the globe.
Okay. It's a bit of liquid. This is my special liquid. It's a remover. And dry it up. Oh, vlog! Hi, vlog. Why are you lying there? This is my newest potion. This. Look. This is a detective. So, vlog. You have to put the drop. Look at that. At that. See it? There's a little drop over there. That'll turn. So, let me put some more. Spilled. Well, never knows. This is a potion.
These people are trying to destroy history. Shut up and move on.
They threw him in the sea, which is cruel. They might have killed him. Can statues breathe underwater?
Okay.
Okay, so he probably swam to safety.
Your corporations going woke
Yes.
asking themselves how can they support black people without actually paying, demonstrating their sensitivity by rebranding Ku Klux Crunchies as Rosa Parks Bars
Okay.
and so on.
Then,
I'm proud to say as a corporation we stepped up in several bold ways. We rolled out an update that replaced our virtual assistants with the personality of Malcolm X.
Alfred, did you play the best this easy time? I'm either following orders or recognize your authority.
okay,
Perhaps
it's a
our biggest
9,
gesture was the whole
1,
thing.
1.
We've had great ties with the UK government.
Let's call someone in
Brexit
9.
votes for them, and they reached out looking for a gesture to show Britain had shrugged off its colonial past.
Let me get
which was
into
a
Jess's
slave
place,
trade.
okay?
So we had the trial of our bodies in one country.
Oh, hi, Jess. Hi.
The British Prime Minister
Your sound
transferred the body of the flag.
heard like me. Yeah, I know. We are twin buddies. Yes, we are. Let's go to the science. What are you doing today? I'm making a potion for Vloggy. So, this is how it works. See? I already went to Jess's science competition. So, this is the potion. Look, everything changes in time. See, it'll fall
I swapped to only using
like
black
this.
emojis for texts. I sent a lot of
See,
friend requests to
it
black
got
and I
lost
even learned how to
in
pronounce
danger
even if it was
of
difficult.
danger. Babysitting a demon, that's not it. Babysitting an angel is good. And paying for the dark path. Look at this. This is a potion.
So I guess in a way,
I'm gonna drop onto the bottle.
and that caught
That's
some
why
lights, so we did a
the
follow-up
potion.
where I drove around the black neighborhood to let them
Shh,
hear
be
my support
quiet
for
for mommy. Mommy's gonna get mad. I wasted this potion.
And this wasn't just some quick
I'm
little
gonna
gesture.
tip off.
We kept it up till 2 a.m. That's how committed we were.
Princess Caller, I stand by you. I feel your pain.
It's just, no please.
Wait, I'm gonna go to Jess's house. Bye.
The pandemic is raging out of control and there is disagreement on how to respond. Some believe the
Oh,
only way out
something's driving here. Huh, yes, that's a motorcycle. Or a tricycle. Or a bus. So there it is. My potion. Its skin is... It's lately toxic. I don't want it. It drops
vaccine faces a lengthy uphill climb. A challenge ready
Let's
for
see. Droplet turned it into poison. See? That's why it's totally magic. Wait, I have to go to Jess. Okay, Jess, you're sleeping. Yeah, I am. Okay, good night. Good night. Okay, sorry, vlog. This is my finished product. What do you say? Oh, what is an empty bottle for? No, it's not empty. It's full. No, we're not. Okay. Jess is the one. Jess is the one who's the winner. Well, no. Everyone get mad because of me. It's my fault. Okay. Let's be quiet for this. Okay. Right now. This is awesome, right? Okay. Turns it into poison. Just see, it's not empty. See, it's not empty. It's full. I told you. This is dangerous, so don't touch it. Bye.